Abu, interestingly, I'm not Champions League. You enjoy some key games within it. Now, let me say news kesi ba kwa AP free moba. Xavi Hernandez. Barcelona for penny for any supporters. Ebo no ejuma bi a me say ekoso ewo FC Barcelona. Abu Barcelona have qualified. Omo qualify campaigns and omo last game against Royal Antwerp. But supporters do na bonyo so say as Xavi Hernandez ejuma na wo ye wo team ni no mani so. Empanyfo ni bi so mo team na mu susu woni say o mani so ejuma na Xavi Hernandez eye no. Especially wako lose to Girona. Then uba bebo Antwerp. No asaba be lose to Antwerp. It doesn't sound so well for the Barcelona board and air supporters of more actually. Do not to me say Xavi Hernandez Kenya no kwama nye day. On free team no fanko. But the first argument you make for Xavi Hernandez near say when it comes to the win probability of FC Barcelona former coach Somabade Kona for the last few years no see a chance here free even Frank Rijkaard time or even PM Barcelona ni be sia. The points per match need to say the number of games are bono and who results need to say enough to make him keep his job at this particular time. And the kind of situation that Barcelona find yourself in. Now Abu, I'm say one Laporta na nkasa no kra no. Dodo na woni say ono yakase Barcelona J4 kese ba kopa na eyono a. The reign at Barcelona between 2003 and 2010 was one of the most successful period in the club's history. Yahu, the dream team of 1992, where Johan Cruyff led the team to their first UEFA Champions League with their captain, Pep Guardiola, no coaching Manchester City. It was Laporta time or the in 2003 or before team 2003-2004. Open people facing difficulty being the president of the side. But in 2003-2004, there was one particular crazy Barcelona fans behind a former Boison one. Madmen Abu almost ultra group no omutimi threaten with the nyoma kwa chire nya kwa kacho so wo ahwe be kidnap do kwa kwose da muntimi nya adwuma no. All of these people had attacked Laporta in 2003-2004 just because he said he made the decision to appoint Frank Rijkaard to be the coach of the team. Frank Rijkaard, a former player of the team, a legend of the team, adodonaji 2 years so abone bra a onu so be coach bi no Abu dia bi oba ya no first season na nyoma nkoye. But Barcelona Beji League in 2004, 2005, 2005, 2006. SRJ Champions League can win in 2006. And on that, Yakwa to about vote of no confidence. But the amount of percentage was a Timmy AE president from Yesako Tuabano and Timmy happen. Nejina 60.66. What's our 66% to make sure say a vote of no confidence in bit media too. Laporta continues and was second Frank Rijkaard. Once Uncophobia and San Fan say a former player of Barcelona in the shape of Pep Guardiola. Guardiola by you know that was one of the best periods in Barcelona's history by winning 6 solid trophies. It's a candy power why you be that. One who be that. Ejina so and make sure say club netima form to my padie fra one Laporta can be.
Yes.
You can never change it. So under him he appoints another old player in the shape of Xavi Hernandez. Or then in the first season, the team lay a day, Edgy League. Almost finances in Koye. So you bet you can see a comparative analysis crampona during Barcelona time in 2003-2004. They found themselves and answer in the same situation. David Beckham and Fanamba. So they had to go and get Ronaldinho. Ronaldinho no bad team, no. They had to bring in Nkola Ketobi to say Etomu to come and complement. Omukofa Deco, Omukofa Edmilson. But omu promote academy players, Carlos Puyol, all of these guys be PM. Yebungu Andres Iniesta, Muso Mutitari Chile, Lionel Messi Mbabe Bia, and omu ana team the bay day. Ebejino Monaso because financially they were not all stable. It to 04, 05, 05, 06 trophies no moji yeno. And the momu team benye eskabia 8 and 9, 9 and 10 no. Guardiola Bube P team no we are quite stable kakra. But the core part of the team was still from La Masia. The only difference you can talk about now in terms of the situation of Barcelona, the quality of players La Masia is producing as compared to the last time I was by between 2003 to 2010. I don't think the quality La Masia produced back then. What the players never to one. Every say Abu Dhabi say gap ne kakra wom kakra because where what the Andres Iniesta to na kofa Pedri never to kwana no. Team say gap no mo hela na Messi mo na he family Lopez mo aye produce o mo do mo ba na team say issues wo. So the club needed to invest a lot of money and then scan one Xavi Hernandez will have to accept and go for players free and scan one form just to deal with them. So Laporta will be patient for him. But the amount before in sorry no any resource ne pe. When we say Barcelona and our Champions League ni mo who the match be 2.8 million euros.
Yes.
And now Drobiana and 930,000 euros. Uluso ayamahwe. Iti Barcelona bufu no mo fudi nyina na yese. Omo yeska. Inti kra no mo last match omo born in December and I said this year no mo dey say 20th December by 21st they have to go to US. No money club American akwakoye dey. Akwakobo. No money 4 million euros. Iti omo bu afu. Say game no mo kobo omo lusu ti Shakhtar and they needed a draw to qualify at that time. Omo lusu iska bia ane dey.
Ama.
Ana we say so mo sa so dey budget. Omo koy so Royal Antwerp so akwakohwe omo iska bia so ane dey. Ama itebufo kakraba. Say now in the situation of the club you hear wins the ade near setting me akeska ready mo sa so church.
I will around to the anointed in power Barca for.
But this does not call for action gidi bia hu sa for a change. Meaning say Barca yeska. Ana nim say scanning tin Laporta bobo afu.
Now Xavi of late Nejuma na o ye no ni say. We almost na no kro mo ni Girona game na after no ko make comment bia. Omo ni say we book club na ntia so cast to omo guso a omo shishi team na omo no nze be team na do no necessarily na Messi ko no Barca team we already made materials a omo team dia ye bibi.
Abu already made materials na ne hwan mo.
O ze Lewandowski mo ne on na Barca team enye bad.
Abu enye bad but it's not an already made team. Also me sha say be a comparative analysis be say share the quality of players La Masia produce ma omo in Laporta first win or Barcelona.
Yes.
Now heard the kind of players omo to the complement.
What that debate in your motor.
Now heard the quality of players at Barcelona produce now from La Masia. Now heard the quality of players on Mato. Edio Mato. Who do we need to Lewandowski be how many years? And who do we need to Lewandowski the prime years no born no ba me go.
Akomeah La Masia omu didi ho. Omo ni be 6 players omu fi omu youth team omo promote omo.
The issue is you can promote but what is the level of quality to compete?
Oh say be ni my equality. Alejandro Bade
quality.
I form sa na.
Now no Mike Bejina o ka say maybe say wadwe ankoso. O se Barcelona players no go feel La Masia ba no. They are ordinary players now omo hype omo bro. Said they also mutimi hype on the broso.
Or mental issues.
Why do they have a level on the bomb of Barcelona? Now replacing it with Alexander.
Onyon never two no.
Onyon the bed.
So never two.
Only two because Abba was even aging to a certain extent on the USA. Yeah, you see why?
Obusu ni Bob.
Never family Lopez.
Also, I'm kind say the new Iniesta.
You see the academic guy
was all the same Giu there.
Why
Magiu. Akomeah Magiu. Hey, Barcelona sa konfo na bo ka years obu o mabam no. Omo quality players no.
Academia La Masia players produce wa abuwa Laporta the first read or buy. Say Mao la eno ne Mao Pique. Mao Carlos Puyol. Mao Iniesta. Abu enye bi ni we o.
Ona ya man ni.
Mao Messi no kwa ya demu. Messi no kwa La Masia Messi no kwa ya demu.
Hwe. I mean, I'm on a median.
I understand Barcelona needs money, but Laporta mon fan show mutrim say the level of the club no any the state to be meeting in 2003 the 2010 no things are different.
And you don't say Xavi on here.
Omo mana mu nyabutre. They will change coach again and another problem will arise.
Now me an say coach is omugu nkofuti ye pam omo na say how.
You see, is it
Xavi on yadi. Oh yeah, who the tactics ni.
Xavi ana. Na dia no the G League no.
Barcelona no problem.
I'm saying dia no the G League.
Only Barcelona problem can say. Only Barcelona problem.
Problem there.
Our problem number 1 here Real Madrid. Now the Real Madrid be problem ni. O Xavi ni a former player. Onim say dey si boy classico. On ani be gu so na o she Madrid ba ko munim so mutim na ye coach na yade. Eno ye number 1. Yeah, no G League no. Madrid for the league in the chomo.
Madrid for the league in the
Eche Barcelona.
So Barcelona
omunya ni hu na way. Omunya Madrid for the opportunities they be can come the best. Omo the league in the chomo.
Okay.
Because Barcelona team there share Real Madrid no. They need say show.
Could you also say Barcelona so the league in that chemo because they say Madrid so injuries you have not been playing at your best but you are grinding our results.
And Madrid will coach. Madrid will quality
so
coach.
Can we say Barca so the league in that chemo Abraham Musumo say
no, yeah ben so. Yeah ntwe omusa. But Barcelona nye threat my.
I don't want us to discredit Xavi's job in winning the league last season.
Akomeah.
Oh yes.
I just have been a TV enter for to take it baby we wire come no baba share.
The test of Xavi Hernandez.
And even against Manchester United Grand Muzunia tactics.
The test umusa the tactics in
enye mo share no.
You see Barcelona level no. You na ye felu. You are measuring this particular current Barcelona team to the air. Luis Enrique Mone Pep Guardiola Mobe no. It is not like that. The quality no what team nintesa. What Barcelona fans are failing to understand no. So what the sa quality to tone senya Yamin Lamar Mone sa Femi Lopez Mone Magui Muno they are not enough quality. Rafinha mo munye enough quality o. And then Barcelona enya problem with Rafinha mo na Barcelona mo 7. And then Barcelona mo ni skenti. Officer Barcelona the level of players are not money do almost sabeti ma ka o no komo za ka mo akomu nie. Komo za ka mo akomu nie. Barcelona team no quality wise in terms of individual standard number form.
Then quality now can no more.
Standard number form.
Quality do no way.
If Barcelona had money na me might take us me say kasa Mbappe dey no Real Madrid for year no Barcelona tell say you can find Mbappe the number.
Akomeah.
Oh yes.
Omre so mama.
If Barcelona had money.
Michael Boko there. Bibia ko kama pa. Football quality lo. Bebao. Is it here for you? No. You were quite big. And still players will be exceptional to Ronaldo more than Luis Ronaldo. Ebi ni obi mo.
This is where Akomeah is right. Standards have dropped in Barcelona.
Yes.
The standards not a drop is it was also lower our expectations. But in lowering your expectations, it should not be to the extent of say a console home because you lose it to Royal Antwerp. For whatever it's worth, Royal Antwerp, so catch Champions